ADGEX Limited has unveiled its revolutionary waste-to-energy processor, greenBLAZE. ADGEX held the first international presentation of the greenBLAZE processor in the city of Tomsk, Russia, 20th February 2017. More than 15 potential customers from all over the world attended the presentation. The majority of participants came from different parts of Russia. Whilst the greenBLAZE processor is capable of utilizing any organic waste as feedstock, the event was focused on the challenging global problems of MSW, municipal solid waste, and treatment of the waste products in the oil refining industry. Most of the participants therefore represented the major market players in these fields. The first part of the presentation took place at the company's production laboratory. During the course of the event, technical specialists of the BLAZE division demonstrated all operational stages of the processor, starting from the warm-up process and preparation of the initial feedstock, to reaching operational conditions with the process of synthesis and feedstock loading, as well as demonstration of the fuel generation stage. All present were allowed to take personal photos and videos of the process. The designers of greenBLAZE processors answered a multitude of questions about the general design of the machine, its operational features, and demonstrated in detail the operability of different units and the complex as a whole. The technical part of the event lasted more than 4 hours. The processor was loaded with different types of feedstock: coal, municipal solid wastes, and unrecyclable, supposedly, MSW debris after the German-designed and built separation process left behind the so-called unrecyclable waste. Firstly, it demonstrated that the greenBLAZE complex is able to automatically adjust from one feedstock to another with no delay. This task was successfully resolved by the processor, including the recycling of unrecyclable waste. For presentational purposes, catalysts for generation of diesel fractions were positioned and diesel fuel was then successfully synthesized in front of everyone's eyes. Some of the attendees received samples of the generated fuel for undertaking their own analysis. After the successful demonstrative launch of the greenBLAZE processor, all participants moved to a comfortable conference hall where Managing Director of ADGEX, Mr. Viktor Uzlov, presented the business model of collaboration with future customers. It was emphasized that the company follow an individual approach strategy to build up successful and mutually beneficial long-term relationships with key partners. Technical President of the BLAZE division, Dr. Vladimir Lubochka, answered questions for more than 2 hours, accentuating the most relevant technical questions associated with commercial aspects of greenBLAZE exploitation and achieving the maximum economic benefits. The outcome of the entire event was the signing of several strategic MOUs with some large Russian customers, and also the company came to a commercial understanding with a Mexican partner about mass adoption of greenBLAZE complexes in Mexican markets and surrounding Latin American countries. And also the company came to a commercial understanding with a Mexican partner about mass adoption of greenBLAZE complexes in Mexican markets and surrounding Latin American countries.